Right. Okay, then today we'll start with your previous year questions. Then after that, we'll do a little bit of concept. We are left with the discount. So we'll complete discount and we'll do your previous year questions as well. And if you have any doubts, you can clarify. You have any doubts with respect to yesterday's class? Okay. So if there are no doubts, we'll start with the question. On the question, the cost of two articles are in the ratio 3:5. If there is 30% loss on first article and 20% profit on the second article, then what is the overall profit or loss percentage? Try to do this. How to solve this? I think we have discussed this. Whenever we are using a ratio, we have to take our own ratios. I can write it as 30 and 50. Yes or no? So first article is 30, second article is 50. If there is loss of 30% on first article, matlab we are having a loss of 30%. What is 30%? What is 10% of 30?
3.
3. So 30% will be into 3, that is 9. Yes or no? So 30% loss. 30% loss. What is the meaning of 30% loss? 9 rupees loss. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if CP was 30, 29 rupees, matlab 21 would have been SP. Getting this? If 30 was CP, 9 minus, we have to subtract 9, then 21 will be your SP. How about the second article here? If 50 is the cost price and they are telling 20% profit on the second article, 20% profit. What is 20% of 50?
10.
10. So your SP will become how much? 60. Getting this? Then they are asking you overall profit or loss. How will you find overall profit? We'll find overall CP and we'll find overall SP. What is overall CP? 50 plus 30 is 80. And what is overall SP? 81. Getting this? Overall CP is 80 and overall SP is 81. What is the profit percentage here? They have given you CP and SP. Use the formula. We have to use the formula. Profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP divided by CP into 100 percentage. 81 minus 80 divided by 80 into 100 percentage. That is 1 by 80 into 100 percentage. What is 1 by 80?
1.25%.
1.25 percentage. Because 1.8 is 12.5, but the question is 1.80, 1 by 80. So the answer will be 1.25 percentage. Getting this?
Yes. So in next one.
The ratio was given as 3:5. So I took the first article's cost price as 30 and second article's cost price as 50. After doing that, we calculated on first article we had a 30% loss. So we calculated 30% of 30. What is 30% of 30? 9, because 10% is 3. So 30% will be 9. So CP minus loss will be your SP. So 21 is your SP. In the second article, we had a profit. We had a profit of 20%. So 50 plus 10 is 60. If we add both the cost prices, it will become 80. And if we add both the selling prices, it will become 81. If CP is given and SP is given, we can calculate the profit percentage. SP minus CP divided by CP into 100%. Getting this?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I'll rub this, then we'll move on to next question. A person sold an article. A person sold an article for 3,600 and got a profit of 20%. Had he sold the article, for 3150, is 3150. How much profit? How much profit would he have got? Much profit would he have? We did one sum yesterday, which was very similar to this. We are having two transactions here. Find out the first transaction and find the cost price. Then using the cost price and selling price, find out the profit. What are the two transactions which are taking place here? Selling price is 3,600 and the profit was given as 20%. What is 20% in fraction? 20% in fraction is 1 by 5. What is 5 here? Cost price. And 1 is profit. As we are having profit, we have to add it. So selling price will become how much? 6. When 5 was the cost price, selling price was 6. When selling price is 3,600, what is the cost price? Cross multiply and get the answer. 3,600 into 5 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 into 5 is 30 and 300. So cost price is how much? 300. Now we know the cost price and we know the second selling price. What is the second selling price? Second selling price is 3,150. Cost price was 3,000. So can we calculate profit percentage here? Profit in percentage is equal to, use the same formula, SP minus CP divided by CP into 100%. So SP was given as 3,150 minus 3,000 divided by CP is 3,000 into 100%. So 3,150 minus 3,000 is 150. 150 divided by 3,000 into 100%. Cancel out the 0. I'll cancel out these two zeros also. 3 ones are 3 5s. So what is your answer here? 5%. Getting this? This was very similar to what we did yesterday. But we were finding out selling price in the yesterday's problem. Now we are finding out the percentage. That's the only difference. Rest of the things are same. Understood?
sir.
Okay. Mic on ಇಡ್ರಿ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಂದೇನ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗತೈತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗೇನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಆಗ ಬಹಳ ಆಗತ್ತೆ
Hi sir, okay sir.
Okay. So let's take one more question. I think you can solve at least this. A shopkeeper sells his article at their cost price. But uses a faulty balance which reads 1000 gram for 800 gram. What is his actual profit percentage? What is his actual profit percentage? Solve this.
$25.
25%. How will you solve this? Profit percentage is equal to true weight minus false weight divided by false weight into 100%. What is the true weight here? True weight is 1000. False weight was 800 divided by 800 into 100%. 1000 minus 800 is 200 divided by 800 into 100%. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. What is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is 25%. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do this one. This is a little bit difficult. Than what you are doing right now. Okay. A man buys 200 oranges for rupees 1000. How many oranges for rupees 100 can be sold so that his profit percentage is 25%. His profit percentage is 25%. Try this.
All of 50, sir.
How much?
All of 50.
No. How much he has to sell for 100 rupees? For 100 rupees, how much he had to sell? We are asking you that. How to solve this? See this. He should have 25% profit. What is 25%? 25% is 1 by 4. So 4 will become how much? 5. So if 4 is the cost price, selling will be 5. Now they are saying he is buying for 1000 rupees. So if he is buying for 1000 rupees, then what will be his selling price? His selling price would have been 1000 into 5 divided by 4. That is 4 ones are 4 250s are 250 into 5 will be all 1250. Getting this? Now for 1250, he has to sell how many? He has to sell 200 oranges. For 1250, he has to sell how much? 200 oranges. So how many he has to sell for 100 rupees? For 100 rupees, how many he has to sell? Cross multiply and get the answer. 100 into 200 divided by 1250. I'll cancel these two zeros. 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 4 4s are 60. So how many oranges he has to sell for 100 rupees? 60. So then only he'll get 25% profit. Getting this?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on from here. Let's go to a different question. At least solve this. This is an easy question. All these are previous year questions. Sir. Whatever we are doing, these are your previous year questions. 2 lots of onion with equal quantity. Two lots of onion with equal quantity. One containing rupees 10 per kg. Sorry, one costing. One costing. Rupees 10 per kg. And the other costing rupees 15 per kg. are mixed together and whole lot is sold at rupees 15 per kg. What is the profit or loss? What is the profit or loss? Remember, in this entire chapter for that matter, whenever they'll ask you profit or loss, what are the two things you require to calculate profit or loss? You require CP and you require SP. If you get CP and if you get SP, you get a profit or loss. So your task is to find out CP and SP. Okay? So find it out. Find the CP and SP from the questions. How much you're getting? All you have to find is cost price and selling price. Understand what is happening here. There are two bags of onion. Lots matlab here bags. You can imagine it as bags. So there are two bags of onion. The price of one is 10 and there is one more bag, the price of which is 15. They are both mixed and they are sold as one lot. They are sold as one lot of 15 per kg. Like this, this was 10 rupees per kg and 15 rupees per kg. Together it is how much? 25. Yes or no? 25 for 2 kgs. Now this was 15 rupees for 1 kg. This is what? This is your cost price because they are telling you costing. Here we have 15 rupees per kg bag, but we have 2 kgs because there is one this bag and this one bag. So we'll have 2 bags. So that will be 30 rupees for 2 kg. We found out the SP. All you have to do is find CP and find SP. Once you get SP and CP, you can calculate from it. Try to calculate from here, use your profit or loss percentage. Use the formula, you'll get it. Hmm.
20%.
How much?
20%.
20%. Your profit percentage formula is SP minus CP divided by CP into 100%. SP is given as 30 minus 25 divided by 25 into 100%. 30 minus 25 is how much? 5. 5 by 25 into 100%. 5 ones are 5 5s. What is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is 20%. Getting this? Okay. Let's try one more. Okay, let me ask this question before we enter into this. We have one discount which is 30%. Okay, we have two stores. Let us call this as store 1, and we have one more store. Let us call that as store 2. First store is offering 30% discount, and second store is offering buy 3 get 1 free. Which will you choose? First is offering 30% discount. Second is offering buy 3 get 1 free offer. Which one will you choose? And why?
Percent is there.
Sorry, which one will you choose?
30%.
30%. Okay. Why?
100 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 ಐತತ್ರಿ. ಈಗ 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ. 300 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 30% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 120 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 120 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ 30% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
The discount ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So I'll tell you a very easy way to calculate this. Whenever you have this buy 3 get 1 free wala funda, what is the meaning of this? If the cost price of one item is 100 rupees, so if you are buying 3 items, it will be what? 300 rupees. Cost price is how much? 300 rupees. Yes or no? But we are getting 1 free. How much we are getting? We are getting 1 free. How many articles we are getting in total?
4.
4 into 100 is how much? 400. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So out of 400, you are getting what? 100 free.
100.
Out of 400, you are getting 100 free. Matlab what? 100 upon 400 into 100%. So this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. What is 1 by 4? 25%. Yes or no? If you have such kind of problems, use this very easy formula. I'll tell you this. Buy 3 get 1 free. Whatever free you are getting, write it in the numerator. Total number of articles, write it in the denominator. Total number of articles is what? 3 plus 1. We are getting 4 articles into 100%. What is 1 by 4? 25%. Getting this? If the question was buy 6 get 2 free, what is the discount I am getting here? Buy 6 get 2 free. Whatever you free you are getting, write it in the numerator. And how many articles you are getting? You are getting 8 articles divided by 100%. So this will be 2 ones are 2 fours are. What is 1 by 4 again? 25%. Getting this? If we had buy 2 get 2, buy 2 get 2 free. How much profit you are making here? How much discount you are getting? 2 free is 2 divided by how many articles you are getting? 4 articles into 100 percentage. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is 1 by 2? 50 percentage. Getting this? What we are doing here? Okay, chalo then. Let's start with a new topic. New topic in this section only. We have left that is discount. Write down the heading discount. Discount. What is discount? Write down the formal definition of discount. The reduction allowed on the marked price of an article is called discount. The reduction allowed on the marked price of an article. Remember, we are allowing the reduction on the marked price. Okay. So discount is nothing but marked price minus selling price, and discount percentage is nothing but mark price minus selling price divided by mark price into 100%. Remember, when you are doing profit and loss, the denominator will always be cost price. Remember this. But when we are doing discount, the denominator will be mark price. This is the difference. Okay. Rest of the rules are same for this. I think you can manage the rest of the rules. First understand this. We'll use the same trick when we have the percentage. We'll use the same trick here also. Okay, so let's see where it takes us. Let's do the first one. If the marked price, of a fan, the mark price of a fan is 700 and a discount of 10% is given on it, then what is the selling price of the fan? What is the selling price of the fan? Try to solve this. I don't think so. You require profit and loss chapter itself for this. try to imagine yourself going to one of the stores, nearby stores, and looking at a fan over there which costs you 700 rupees, and the shopkeeper says, I'll give you 10% discount. So what price you should pay him? What is the selling price of the fan? Nothing else is required. If you use your basics also, what are the basics? Whatever you use in your daily life, if you use that logic also, you'll get the answer.
630, sir.
630, yes or no? Because the fan is sold at 700 rupees. 10% of 700 is 70. So it is being sold at 630 rupees. 630 is what? SP. This was MP. And this is my 10% discount. Understanding this? So then we will go for this net effect formula. Take down net effect formula. Matlab we'll directly do the sum itself. Otherwise, take down this rule before we move on to the formula. If a shopkeeper marks his goods at 20% above the cost price and allows a discount of 10%, then his profit percentage is, so then his profit percentage is given by, I'll write the formula also. Sorry, 1 second. I have dictated the question itself. Let's do from the question itself. It's okay. I wrote the question. So this is not a rule. This is a question. So we'll do using this one. I think you can understand this. Can you calculate? This is net effect formula. How much you are getting? Use net effect formula. I'm telling you, use net effect formula. What is the net effect formula? Net effect formula is plus or minus x plus or minus y plus or minus x plus or minus y divided by 100. When there is price increase, we will write it as positive. Discount matlab what? Price is coming down. So I'll take it as minus. And then we have 20 minus 10 divided by 100. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 20 minus 10 is 10. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. What is 2 minus 2? 8%. Getting this? So discount will take it as negative. Understood? Or you can do one more method, that is, let us imagine the price of the product is 100 rupees first. And if we are increasing the price by 20%, what is 20% of 100? What is 20% of 100? What is 20% of 100? 20, yes or no? So the price will become what? 100 plus 20, that is 120. Then after that, he gives a discount of 10%. What is 10% of 120? 12. Yes or no? So what is 120 minus 12? What is 120 minus 12? 120 minus 12 is 108. So from 100, we had a profit of how much? 8%. Getting this? This is one more way of doing it. Okay? Try this question. Try this one. A single discount which is equivalent to a single discount which is equivalent to two successive discounts of 20% and 5% is. Instead of giving two discounts of 20% and then 5%, what should be one single discount? Try to answer this. Use the same trick. How to solve this? Discount matlab minus. Understand that. So if we had imagined it to be 100 rupees minus 20%. What is 20% of 100? 20? Yes or no? So from 100 it will become how much? If I subtract 20, it will become 80. Understanding this? From 80, I should give a discount of 5%. If 10% of 80 is 8, 5% will be what? If 10% is 8, 5% will be
40.
4, not 40, 4, half of it. So it will be 4. What is 80 minus 4? 80 minus 4 is 76. So from 100 to 76, what is the discount? Calculate using it like this. 100 minus 76. What is 100 minus 76? 20. So they are supposed to give you a discount of how much? 24%. But from the outset, it looks like as if they are giving you discount of 25%. Getting this? Done?
Yes.
Okay then. This completes your chapter. We'll at least solve 2-3 more sums. Okay. Take 2-3 minutes and revise everything. I'll give you a few more questions. I'll ask you what the questions of last year, which was asked in your last year CDS question paper, AFCAT question paper. Okay. So take 2-3 minutes, revise everything whatever we have discussed. Okay, let's start with your previous year questions. We were doing previous year questions, but let's do the ones which they have asked in the last year itself. Take down this question. A trader sells 2 computers. A trader sells 2 computers at the same price. Trader sells 2 computers at the same price, making a profit of 30% on one and a loss of 30% on the second. What is the net loss or profit percentage on the transaction. What is the net loss or profit percentage on the transaction? I think this is very easy. We can at least manage this.
9.
9%. 9% loss or profit?
Loss.
Loss. We had discussed this yesterday. X square by 10 or x square by 100. So 30 into 30 divided by 100. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. We'll be left with 9% loss. Understood? Can we move ahead? Okay. Solve this. In profit and loss and in percentage chapter, there are a lot of imagination things you have to do. Okay, and this was one of them. An article is sold. An article is sold at a profit. An article is sold at a profit of 32%. If the cost price is increased by 20% and the sales price remains the same. The sales price remains the same. Then his profit percentage is Try this. Imagine your numbers, you'll get the answer. Anyways, if you have to find profit or loss percentage, all you have to do is find cost price and selling price. So find these two things, you'll get the answer. How much are you getting? Very easy question actually. Imagine.
9%.
How much?
9%.
Very close, but you're wrong. It's very close.
9.09.
9 point
9.09.
09. No. Say this. If I take cost price of the article as 100, I'm just imagining it, and it is sold at 32% profit. What is 32% of 100? 32? Yes or no?
132.
So the selling price is 132. Correct. The selling price is 132. Now they are what they are doing? They are increasing the cost price by 20%. Now they are increasing the cost price by 20%. What is the cost price? What is the new cost? 120. But the selling price is remaining the same. Sales price is remaining the same. The sales price is 132.
132.
Yes or no? So we have to find profit percentage. Profit percentage is SP minus CP divided by CP into 100%. SP is 132, CP is 120, divided by CP is 120 into 100%. What is 132 minus 120? 12 by 120 into 100%. 12 ones are, 12 tens are. What is 1 by 10? 1 by 10 is 10%. Getting this? This was an easy question actually. Okay. Let's solve one more different kind of sum. Solve this. If an article is sold at a profit of 6%. If an article is sold at profit of 6% instead of a loss of 6%, the seller gets rupees 6 more. The seller gets rupees 6 more. What is the cost price of the article? What is the cost price of the article? Find this. How to solve this? This is very different kind of sum. Look here. Article was sold at what?
6% is of profit.
6% profit. instead of 6% loss. Matlab plus 6 and minus 6. What is the overall difference? Overall difference is 12%. Yes or no? 6% ahead and 6% back. Together it is what? 6%. Sorry, 12% overall. 12% overall is bringing how much extra money? It is bringing 6 rupees. Yes or no? 12% is bringing me 6 rupees. So what will 100% bring me? Because they are asking cost price. Yes or no? So what will 100% bring me? 100% into 6 divided by 12. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 50s are. So what is the answer? 50. Bring this cross price of the article is 50. These are very easy kind of sums. Understand the method and use that method. You'll get the answer. Okay, can we move ahead? We'll move on to one last question, which is very different. Let's see if you can get that. And in some cases, you have to use the options. Okay, can we move ahead? Go to the next and final question. Try to answer this. In this question, I am giving you the hint. You have to use the options. Options will give you the results. Ram buys. Actual method is very difficult. Use options. Ram buys 4 chairs and 9 stools for rupees 1340. If he earns a total profit of he earns a total profit of rupees 188, how much money did he have to pay for the chairs? Your options are 200, 400, 800 and D 1600. How much money you have to pay for the chairs? I dictated the question. One second. I missed out one sentence here. If he read over, if he sells chairs at a profit of 10% and stools at a profit of 20%, then he earns a total profit of rupees 188. Getting this? So he's selling the chairs at 10% profit and stools at 20%. Okay, so this is a new sum. I'll directly solve this. Understand how I'm solving this, then I think you can attempt next one. We can choose any of the options. As I am finding out the difference between chair and stool, matlab chair and stool are the two commodities given here. Chair will be little costly compared to stool, yes or no? Chair will be little bit costly compared to stool, because chair is a bigger entity, stool is a smaller entity. So I'll take 400. 400 for how many chairs? For all the chairs. If 400 is given for 4 chairs, then the remaining amount, what is the remaining amount from 1340? From 1340, I have to subtract 400. If I subtract 400 from 1340, what will I be left with? How much? 940. Yes or no? So 940 is given for what? Stools. Understanding this? Now let us calculate the total profit. If he sells chairs at a profit of 10%, he is selling the chairs at 10% profit. What is 10% of 400? 40.
440.
Yes or no? And what is 20% of 940? What is 20% of 940? 10% is 94. So 20% will be 94 into 2. What is 94 into 2? 188. Yes or no? But he should make together, he should make profit of 188. He is making profit of how much here? 40 plus 188. He is making totally how much profit here? He is making 228 profit. But in the question they are telling 188 is the total profit. Now we are getting 228 as the total profit. So the option which we assumed as 400 is wrong. Understanding what we are doing here? We are assuming the options. We assumed 400 as the option. That is wrong. Now let us assume next option. Let us assume 800. 800 and solve the question. Assume 800 and solve the question and find out the profit using the same method. If we use 800, what will happen if we use 800? If 800 is given for chairs, stools will be what? 1340 minus 800. 40. What is 13 minus 8? 5. 540. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is 10% of 800? 80. Yes or no?
Yes.
And what is 20% of 540? 54 into 2. What is 54 into 2? 108. Now what is the profit? 108 plus 80. What is the total profit? 188. So whatever we assumed is correct. So what we assumed 800 is correct. This is how you solve these kind of stuff. What we are doing here, we are assuming that one of the option is correct and we are trying to do it. Can you manage this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo then. Take the screenshot. The meeting may end. We will continue with the next chapter probably on Monday, Tuesday. Probably on Monday or Tuesday, we'll start with the class and we'll start with time, speed and distance. Okay? Chalo then. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you have any doubts, you can text